So the doll I'll be using for this custom is a Poppy O'Hare. It didn't even have that much hair on it. It seemed like whoever maybe wanted to make it custom, so it was cut off. So I thought it was a perfect doll. I've had this in my drawer as my stock box of me wanting to make a custom. So all I had to do was just chop off as much as I could to the top, or just the shortest I could, so that I was able to tweeze off everything from the inside. It took me about, I think, an hour to take off all the hair. She actually had like a lot of hair in the inside and a lot of glue, so it took me a while. I used a bunch of tweezers and then used pliers to get it all out. I was just scraping most of the time. So yeah, it was a long time. I had to like squish the head and that glue, because this is the first custom I ever made, so that was a lot. And then because of the little parting of the hair, there was so much in there, and I was like pulling this long piece of like hair out, so it was a lot in there. So I began to next taking off the face paint. I took off the lips with my nail polish acetone remover and used some little Q-tips. It was a bit, the doll head was already dirty, so I was kind of cleaning around it with acetone, because I guess I might have got dirty or sticky from the thing. Next, I decided to take off the irises, because I was like, maybe I'll just use the rest. So I did both eyes. I took out the little iris and just left the eyeshadow and the eyeliner and eyebrows. Next, I got a cotton ball to clean off all the paint that's on the head, so that I could maybe repaint it later, because I hadn't decided on if I was going to make a wig or repaint it to like paint the head. So yeah, I took off all the Poppy's orange and purple paint. I ended up deciding to take off actually all the makeup. I was like, what the heck, I'll just try to make my first custom from scratch. So yeah, because I didn't like how it looked like without the irises, and then just redoing it, I was like, it's not gonna be like an actual custom, so I'm not gonna be doing much on it. My doll is gonna be based on a tropical flower, the hibiscus, so that's what it is. Next is me making the outfit. So I made this prototype with some sticky notes of how I wanted it. I wanted it to be open and kind of show like flower petals, but I didn't really like the idea because I wanted to show about 5 petals. So I made another one because I wanted the petal to lay exactly over her shoulder. And then I made, this is the 3rd or 4th prototype, and I finally got all the petals correctly and how I wanted it. Next, I was looking for the beads that I wanted for her necklace, because I wanted to be like the stem. I forgot what they're called, that's on the flowers, those little yellow parts, because I was trying to copy it from a hibiscus flower. So I was trying to copy the little yellow, I forgot what they're called. I'll put it on the screen of what it's called, because I can't remember what I'm talking about. So I tried looking for some yellow ones. I wanted to look at the same shape I saw the pink ones, but I couldn't find any yellow ones. But I found these like long yellow ones, so those kind of seem perfect for it. And next I'll be showing how I'm going to be cutting out the pieces. So I cut out, I think, 2 pieces of those. And I'm going to be cutting, next is the back piece. So the back petal. Then I cut out 2 more pieces, which will be the 2 petals that'll be on the collar. And then next I made like a little hole, and I pushed like the arm through it so that the arm will fit. I then began to sew it up so that I could put it together. So that's the front part of the shirt, and then that's like after I put a little bit of Velcro because I was going to do the back part. I will be using this green ribbon to make the tutu, and I just cut up some tulle, and this is just me attaching it and tying it. So that's all.